bullish NFT value expectation is somewhere in the range of $0.000000935 and $0.000006082. NFT cost could likewise reach $0.0000007 soon. NFT negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.000000262. This Apenft NFT price prediction 2022 video depends on specialized investigation alone. Beneath, you will see the key intersections that we have thought about after thinking of our NFT value expectation and investigation. Among the digital currencies that are flooding this year, Apenft is maybe one of the most amazing for some. It isn't straightforwardly connected with Bitcoin, nor is it the most advertised cryptographic money today. Yet, for those that know, NFT cost has diminished by 75.4% in the beyond 1 year. Might NFT at any point reach $0.0000007 in 2022? We will find out right away. However, before we continue to our NFT examination, let us first respond the inquiry, what is Apenft? In this NFT expectation 2022, what is Apenft? Apenft was authoritatively enrolled in Singapore on March 29, 2021, to meet open doors and address trouble spots in the business. Apenft is gotten by the Ethereum mainnet. Apenft marketplace applies BTFS decentralized capacity to guarantee the information and assets of NFT are under the best assurance and with high unwavering quality. The fund buys referred to NFT craftsmanships as hidden resources. Also, it attempts to further develop the NFT exchanging principles. It offers help to government organizations, colleges, legal advisors, and industry elites in giving arrangements that administer the sound improvement of the business. Now that we are clear about Apenft, do you figure NFT will be helpful crypto in 2022? Go along with me and let us see the outlines in this NFT cost examination and NFT cost forecast. Apenft, current market status. At the hour of compassing this Apenft cost investigation, NFT exchanges at $0.000000658 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $36,614,422. The cost of SFM has diminished by 6.31% as of now. Moreover, Apenft has an ongoing complete inventory of 277,080.56 BNFT as per CoinMarketCap. At present, the top cryptographic money trades for NFT are KuCoin, Huobi Global, OKX, Gate.io, and others. Presently, how about we continue to the following piece of this Apenft specialized investigation for 2022. Apenft price analysis 2022. Presently, NFT holds 135th put on CoinMarketCap. However, will the most recent redesigns, improvement, and changes in the Apenft biological system assist the digital currency with evaluating to reach higher? How about we continue to the diagrams in this NFT cost expectation? Keltner channel is a specialized investigation pointer that is utilized to decide pattern bearings by estimating the instability above or beneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for NFT USDT, we can find that the cost of Apenft could get bullish in certain days, since the cost is in the primary portion of the channel from the base. Notwithstanding, in the long haul, the cost could get bullish, since top digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are as of now getting negative from the new bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general force in the size of ongoing cost changes to derive oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of the one-day graph is 46.95. This shows that Apenft is showing a non-partisan pattern since its RSI lies somewhere in the range of 30 and 50. This worth can set off a bullish run on the off chance that financial backers reposition themselves either toward the purchasers. From the outline over, the 200 MA is over the 100 MA, which implies that drawn-out financial backers would acquire. Be that as it may, since the hole between the two moving midpoints is wide and both moving midpoints are over the as of late shaped candle, the following bullish run may be long. Apenft, NFT, Price Prediction 2022. The outline underneath shows that Apenft, NFT, has been impacted by the crypto market downtrend lately. Besides, the NFT cost shows a bullish pattern. In the event that this pattern proceeds, NFT could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its $0.00000935 RESISTANCE1 level and move higher to $0.00000682 at the RESISTANCE7 level, the 2022 bullish sign. Alternately, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the bears could dominate and push Apenft, NFT, from its upturn position. In less difficult terms, the cost of NFT could fall to nearly $0.00000262, a negative sign. In the meantime, our drawn-out NFT cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has a low chance of arriving at new levels. All the more thus, this will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. On the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Apenft, NFT, will reach $0.00006082 toward the finish of 2022. Besides, in July 2022, NFT will show quick development, up to $0.00000935. Then this ascent will dial back, yet no significant falls are normal. With impending associations and advancements coming to $0.000007 is very hopeful in the cost of view, however, without a doubt possible for the NFT future. Apenft, NFT, Price Prediction 2023. If Apenft, NFT, holds the help level around 200 MA, the drawn-out moving normal of 200 days immovably, purchasers will then have adequate time and solidness to produce the following assault mission on the fundamental level at $0.000008, making it not fall, however play predictably. Apenft, NFT, Price Prediction 2024. According to the most recent redesigns, improvements, Apenft, NFT, cost expectation, and new task conjectures of the stage, NFT financial backers could expect numerous associations and incorporations around 2024. Also, this could help the cost of NFT in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture, as the cost can spike and stretch around $0.00001. Apenft, NFT, Price Prediction 2025. In the following 3 years, NFT's cost could race up to $0.00003. Nonetheless, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for Apenft, NFT, as an extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This shows that NFT has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 3 years according to the expectation.